Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will look into one of the important topics, reasons for HIV infection. HIV infection is due to transfer of HIV virus from infected person to other person. What are all the modes of transmission? So this can be due to unprotected sex. When you are not using condom and having sex with the HIV patient, you will have this in your body. Next one is blood transfusion. When you get the blood transfused, when you are taking the blood from other person, that blood has to be checked for HIV, otherwise you will get HIV. Next one is exchange of body fluids like any of the body fluids. You are exchanging semen with some other person, or saliva sometimes, or breast milk. These are all the body fluids that contain HIV virus. Next one is needles. If you are exchanging the needles, especially these needles are exchanged while taking drugs or surgical material. When you go to a hospital, you have to go to a good hospital where all the equipment is sterilized, and during surgery only sterilized material is used, otherwise you will get HIV. Next one is transplant. When you get a transplant, kidney transplant, liver transplant, you have to be very careful and check whether the person who is donating the organs is having HIV or not. Next one is vaginal delivery. When the mother is HIV positive and the mother goes for vaginal delivery rather than cesarean delivery, high chance that baby gets HIV in that process. And also breastfeeding. HIV is highly loaded in the breast milk. That's the reason when the mother is HIV positive, she should try to avoid giving breast milk to the baby. These are all the modes of transmission of HIV virus.
Fidicus Homeopathy.